2007 Lexus ES350 luxury sedan. Bright silver metallic paint, aluminum alloy wheels with new tires, dual chrome tip exhaust, backup sensors. Well kept light gray leather interior, wood grain trim throughout, Lexus carpeted floor mats, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory driver's seat, and driver's seat adjustments, heated and cooled front seats, premium sound system with subwoofer, navigation, backup camera, 6-disc in-dash changer, and cassette tape. Hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls, auto headlights, just over 124,000 miles. And see you guys Sunroof. Come out and see us.